All right, this is Mark in Cottonwood, and I got the 66 in the shop. Hallelujah! Finally was able to get to the 66. So the goal is to drive this car within a reasonable amount of time. So today we are going to be vacuuming and cleaning out this engine compartment. A little dirty. Needs to be tidied up. I'm not expecting a show car here. Don't want a show car. Just want a driver. So I got my trusty Harbor Freight vac, and I'm going to be sucking up some of the garbage that's in here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to driving this sucker and getting some miles on it there. So anyway, there's the 66. And ultimately what I'm trying to do is plug this 110 in there, rebuilt 110, and 327 Saginaw tranny back there. I really want to get out and start doing some Corvair driving, man. I really have not had a running driving Corvair since I sold my 67. Yes, my beloved 67 is gone. So I just want a driver, and the 67 was way more nicer car than I really need. This one's got a bunch of little rough edges to it, and I'm okay. I just want to drive a Corvair. So join me on this journey as I take this 66 from non-running car to running car, and we'll get out there. Remember that. This is Mark, reminding you to get out there and enjoy your Corvair.